I'll teach you how to operate and use this LV02. This product is small and lightweight. It has a screen and 3 physical buttons beside it. It has a great overall feel. Connect the power supply and it will power on automatically. The power interface is a Type-C port. After powering on, the device will display its hotspot name and password. Then you need to connect its hotspot with your mobile phone. Find this name on your phone. After connecting successfully, it will automatically redirect to the back-end interface. Then click Configure Wi-Fi. You need to set up the Wi-Fi and mining pool information here. Find your own Wi-Fi and connect to it. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then enter the mining pool address, wallet address, and other relevant information. You can enter the local time difference according to the prompts. Then you can click Save below. The device will automatically restart and power on. After the device restarts, it will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi you set up. The 3 physical buttons have different functions. They can be used to switch status animations and other functions. For detailed instructions, please refer to the user manual.